How to fix you were kicked from session by BattlEye in GTA 5. So if you want to fix you were kicked from session by BattlEye in GTA 5, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply search for Rockstar Games. Open your Rockstar Games. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now go with settings, which will be in the top right. Now if you usually play GTA offline with mods, make sure BattlEye is disabled, so it does not interfere with your fights. However, if you want to play GTA Online, you must enable BattlEye from this menu. Next, you need to completely close the Rockstar Games launcher. Now you need to open up your task manager, right click on your taskbar and then click on task manager and end all the Rockstar related processes to make sure there's nothing running in the background. For that, you need to right click on the Rockstar Games process and then you'll find an option of end task. You need to go and click on end task. Once done, click on the start menu, go with your search and search for CMD. Right click here and then go with run as administrator and then click on yes. Once you're in your command prompt, now here you need to enter some commands. In the command window, you need to enter SC delete space BE space service. After you see the success message, close the command prompt and reopen the Rockstar Games launcher. This will reinstall BattlEye automatically. So that's basically how you can fix you were kicked from session by BattlEye in GTA 5. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.